And you would use our second story to play your music. It's called the phone.
I was just waiting to see how far you are going to push the envelope on this. Are you actually going to make a phone call with that?
So I'll tell you what. We've done this many times before. I got you to do this on the Gadget Guru Awards. That you do kind of look interesting. I mean, look. If you're one of those people that's out there and, you want people to look at you, you've got to do this. You will have everybody looking at you at the same time, and not just the person.
You're going to have everyone looking at you and saying, how ridiculous is this man looking? That's what they're going to be saying.
Okay, so...
And by the way, seeing as I'm cribbing about that device in your hand, what is it with phone pads and pad phones, and is it not slightly confusing?
You've been very sweet to this company. It's extremely confusing. So they have two categories of this, right? Both are tablets. The first one is a dumb tablet, where you have a phone.
We've reviewed that before, where you plug the phone into it.
Yeah, you plug the phone and it comes alive, and you've got the best of both worlds according to them. And this one is just a tablet. It's called the phone pad versus that one called a pad phone. And in this, you can just make calls, and that's why it's called a phone pad, right? So I guess it is confusing, but the 7-inch is a hot category. It still sells very well. A lot of people say it's also a redundant category because 8 is taking over. Everybody's now getting better 8-inch phones, 8-inch tablets. I thought this, when it comes out new, would be 8 inches, so that it looks even more ridiculous when you look.
All right, let's take a close look. Which one was this? The phone pad, right?
Yeah, you got it right.
It's not the pad, not the pad. It's the phone
pad 7, yes.
The Asus FonePad 7 is essentially meant for people who don't like to carry two mobile devices, as it serves as a tablet and also as a cell phone because it facilitates calling as well. There's a lot of confusion in terms of the nomenclature that Asus has been following with its devices. The latest entrant is FonePad 7, which was launched in India after getting some mixed bag of reviews world over. While there are some good features like the new and upgraded Intel's Clover Trail Plus Z2560 dual-core processor, which is clocked at 1.6 GHz, which means your applications will open faster than before. With a 7-inch display of 1280 by 800 pixels, the FonePad 7 reproduces some crisp colors. While the good ends there, the plastic body is something that might not go down too well with prospective buyers, and the company claims that FonePad 7 has smudge-resistant coating, but it couldn't really keep away the fingerprints from the screen. There's a 5-megapixel rear and 1.2-megapixel front shooter that has a burst mode, which can take up to 100 clicks, and you can record 1080p videos. It runs on Android 4.2 Jelly Bean and has Asus' own UI skin and has 1 GB RAM and supports 3G for voice calling.
And it's time for a very quick break. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes with our app section.